Well, this one here is a 69 single cab. As you guys know, up on my YouTube channel here, there's a couple of double cabs, and I've never seen a single cab in person. I've seen a bunch of buses, but not a single cab. So for me, this is something very unique. Belongs to this guy, 247 Automotive. It's like a repair shop. Take a quick video of the back. And I could not resist not filming this one here. It's a beautiful square back, or Brasilia, as they were called in Mexico and maybe some other countries. This one is a 69 as well. Let's check the inside. Wow, here's a skateboard. Wow, that's how they set up the airbags on them. Wow, that's something you don't see every day. So basically the skateboard is sitting on the floor. The tires are touching the floor. Wow. And the airbags are all the way deflated. And as you can see on the other side, you can see the shell of the Beetle sitting there on the floor. Let's get up close again and look at it. Let's see. You can see the airbags all filled with air. That's very cool. Thank you.